Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today we will discuss about those universities which have deadline about around about 30th of April. So this one is the third phase. We already make two phases about those universities having deadline is 30th of April. So maybe fourth phase will come after this video, but not sure. But after this video we make those universities videos for those universities having deadline in May, June or in July. So let's start. First you click on first link, type CSC Guide official and click on the first link which you can see, and then you come our website cscguideofficial.com and click on CSC scholarship admissions. So after clicking on this you can see all universities having started CSE scholarships. So let's start the first one. The first one is Coming Medical University non-provincial government scholarship. So this is for undergraduate, master and PhD students. 1400 RMB for undergraduate, 1700 for master, and 2000 RMB for PhD students. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 20th of April is the deadline. 25 for age limit for 20 bachelor 25, master for 35, and PhD for 40 years. Okay, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. First you fill the CSC Coming Medical University online application form. Second you fill the government scholarship application form, and it's not necessary because when you fill the online application form you select the option non-government scholarship. Okay, but if you fill the form and send it to university email address, then it's good for you. So upload all required documents. First you fill this, click here to fill the university online application form. These are the documents which you required while uploading on the online application portal. Click here to download the non-government scholarship application form, and you can see after filling the form, contact with the university. If you contact with the university or not, it depends on you, so don't worry about this. Okay, now the next one is Minzu University. So in the official advertisement is their deadline is 20th of March, but we mailed to the university and asked about the scholarship admission. They says still you can apply for the scholarship in for Chinese government scholarship in Minzu University, because due to coronavirus they extend the deadline. They don't tell me that what is the deadline, because they're not sure about the deadline. They say just apply, still you have time. So that's why just online apply, no need to send hard copies. This is for master, undergraduate and PhD students as well. And how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form, upload all required documents, no need to send hard copies, just CSC online application portal apply. How you fill the form: CSC online application form, click here to fill the form. If you want to apply for Guangxi government scholarship, you can apply, because 30th of April 2020 is the last date. Okay, now you can see all these required documents when you fill the CSC online application form. If you have HSK4, then your the preference will be given to you. So if you have HSK4, 5 or 6, then your chances will be high. It's not mandatory, but will be preferable. Okay, and also I suggest you, when you fill the online application form, CSC online application form, and attach all these required documents and send it to this email address, because maybe they required documents in email, but they not mention on their email that they accept documents via email. Then you send it to their email address, so don't worry about this. So, and the next one is Beijing Institute of Technology. This is for bachelor, master and PhD candidates. In November 15th 2020 is the April 15th 2020 is the deadline. No need to send hard copies, no application fee. 600 RMB application fee will be paid when your initial review will be cleared, and an interview will be taken on via WeChat. So for how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form, click here. After filling CSC, then you must fill the BIT online application portal, click here. And these are the documents which you required to upload on CSC portal and university portal as well. Okay, and how you apply for the scholarship, complete video, click here to watch the video. Okay, the next one is Chinese government scholarship, Northwestern Polytechnical Institute. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. I suggest you apply before 15th of April. So this is for master and PhD students. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. First they demand hard copies, but due to current situation, you must ask from the university, this is the email address, and ask from them they required hard copies or not. So they tell you, don't worry about this. How you apply for the scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form. Second, you click here to fill the CSC online application form. Second, you fill the Northwestern Polytechnical University online application form. Click here to fill the online application form and pay the 6 RMB application fee. This is mandatory, but IELTS is mandatory in this university. So if you have IELTS, then apply, otherwise don't apply in this university, because my friends are studying there. They got admission last year with IELTS. Without IELTS, and no one can get the admission in this university. So you can say send required documents to this mailing address. So you can also send your documents to this mailing address. So either they required hard copies, but confirm from the university about hard copies. Either they required hard copies due to current situation or not, so they will tell you. Okay, these are the documents which you upload on university portal and CSC online application portal as well. Okay, and the next one is Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. No application fee. I again said you, because you can see this the post, it will 2-4 weeks ago the post will be created. So maybe due to current situation, they don't demand hard copies, because in the first phase, I think in November or December, they must focus on the hard copies, but due to current situation, due to coronavirus, they do not demand hard copies. Mostly 90% universities don't demand hard copies. So confirm from the university, this is the email address of the university. Confirm from them they demand hard copies or not. So no application fee, just online apply. How you apply for the scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form, click here. Second, you fill a university online application form. For university online application form, click here. No need to pay application fee. Okay, these are the documents which you required when you fill the online application form, and ask from the university they demand hard copies or not. So university will tell you the better situation in university. So don't worry about this, because every office, international office, doing the work at home, so they don't go to the office. So they just divided the work and doing the work in one office in home, so they don't go to the university. So specific teachers and specific lab mates are going to the universities. No, otherwise everyone will work on at home. Okay, so you can see government Harvard Engineering University. The next one is 15th of April 2020 is the last date. 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply. Online apply and send documents. But again, I said you, it's not my fault that this university have send documents as well. So because the university demand hard copies, but due to current situation, I again says must confirm from the university, this is the email address, and ask from them either they demand hard copies or not. And also confirm from the university either they extend the date of for scholarship or not, because due to current situation, we cannot, if you don't prepared your documents on time, then ask from the university about deadline as well. Maybe they give you some relaxation about deadline. So don't worry about this. How you apply for scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form. Second, you fill the university online application portal and upload all required documents. Okay, if they demand hard copies, then this is the email address. Okay, click here to fill the CSC online application form. Click here to fill the US University online application portal, and these are the documents which is required when you upload on university portal and CSC online application portal. Click here to download the sample of research plan or study plan, because this university have demand research plan according to their own format of the research plan. So because in other universities you can make the study plan according to your point of view and according to your research. But here you can see this is the format. You must follow this format and make the your research plan. So don't raise anything, start from there, so you can see. Okay. Okay, now the next one is this university, Zhejiang University. Some student says that Zhejiang University extend the scholarship application for CSC scholarship and university scholarship as well, but I don't get any information from their official advertisement. So mail to the university, this is the email address, mail to the university and ask about the scholarship deadline. Maybe they extend, I think they extend the date. So I suggest you ask from the university first. Okay, now this the last one, the last university is Henan University of Chinese Medicine. This is end of April is the last date, not specific deadline for this, but end of April. If you want to apply, then apply as soon as possible. Apply method not confirmed yet, ask from the university. This is the email address, ask from the university first. They demand hard copies or not. If they demand hard copies, then send. How you apply for this college? First you fill the CSC online application form, click here, and second you must fill CSC university online application form, click here. Okay, and no application fee for this scholarship. Okay, these are the documents which is required you upload on CSC online application form portal. And for Silk Road scholarship for undergraduates, click here for undergraduate students. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then visit our cscguideofficial.com website and subscribe our YouTube channel if you think that the information which I give you is very important for you. So good luck and take care of you.